Now I'm gonna put my measurements up on the screen now. Just Hello, my friend. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Muscle Nation scrunch shorts review, and I'm going to be reviewing the high waist scrunch shorts in Leopard and the tie-up high waist scrunch shorts in ash gray. I'm going to put my measurements up on the screen now, just so you have this information when you're trying to figure out what your size is. To be honest, my measurements were kind of more in alignment with a size small, but my intuition just told me to go up a size, and I'm so happy I did. So if your measurements are looking kind of in between or a little bit bigger than the size that you're thinking, definitely go up a size. It's gonna be more comfortable. All right, first, tie up high waist scrunch shorts in ash gray. So here they are. This is size medium. I absolutely love these. They are so flattering. They're not too short, which I like. You can adjust them on the sides here. You can make them like a little bit longer and not scrunched. Tie it up in a bow, and that's how it looks, right? Makes them a little bit longer, still really cute. Or scrunch it up, which makes it like a bit more of a booty short, you know? Right? Super flattering on the bum. I love this little scrunch. And this is the one that has not been scrunched, right? Honestly, I like it better a little bit less scrunched. But even if it's not scrunched, you know, it's cute with the little bows on the side. They're nice and high-waisted, which is really flattering, and they're not kind of giving you a camel toe, which is nice. Really cute, love these. If you like something that's really flattering on the bum, these are definitely your shorts. And they're totally squat proof. The material is totally opaque. No problem at all. All right, next we have our high-waisted scrunch shorts in Leopard. So here they are. They're really nice and high-waisted. They're a good length. They're really flattering on the bum. Just gonna move the camera down a little bit so you can get a better view. Really nice and high-waisted. They go just to the belly button, but you know, you could pull them down so they're a little bit less high-waisted, but I like them up nice and high. Look really cute on your bum. They have a nice little scrunch. It seems like a little bit less of a scrunch than the other ones, but super cute. I do find these ones do go up my crotch a bit, and I do have to kind of like pull them down while I'm working out. That's one thing. But other than that, I like them. I like these. Really nice on the bum. You know, scrunch is always flattering on the booty. So, there they are. So I would definitely say my favorite of the two are definitely these. I love these. I'm definitely gonna order another pair. And I thought that these were going to be actually a cotton material, but they're not. They're like a synthetic yoga pant material, but really comfortable. I love these. And yeah, and I also love these leopard ones. You know, they're cute, nice and high-waisted, they're flattering. I just do find they go up my crotch a little bit, so I have to pull them down a few times when I'm at the gym, but overall, love this brand. And you know, I know it's so nice to be able to jump onto YouTube and to help with figuring out what your size is, see it on a normal person. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you received value. If you have any questions, comment below. And this channel is all about natural health and fitness. So if that's what you're interested in, then please subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to providing you with lots of value. And if you like this video, please like it. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here. And also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.